it's your girl Brandy Gibbs, and I'm back on your screen. This will make number 2 attempt. I was about to upload the video and I don't know, for some reason I just erased the whole video. So we're gonna do it over. Yes, we're gonna do it over. It wasn't long, but I just wanted to share with you all what I picked up when I went to Akira on today. I had to take my baby to the doctor to get his shots for school, his last shot actually. And I wanted to stop at Akira because, you guys, if you follow me on my vlog, I recently went back to get these earrings and I tried them on for you guys, and they are buy one get the other one 50% off. These are called the Airy Rhinestone hoop earrings, and they're in silver. They also have them in gold. If you don't like gold, they have them in gold. I mean, if you don't like silver, they have them in gold. And I also picked up these studded earrings right here, which is too cute. I'm gonna bring them on. I'm gonna bring them in so that you can see how pretty and bling bling they are. Super cute. And I also picked up the anklet. You probably can't tell, but I'll try to put in some footage at the end so that you can see. I bought one for me and one for my mom if she wants them. I have the other one on my leg, as well as the shoes that I picked up from Akira. And the shoes, and I'm sorry I'm going really fast, but I'm trying to get through this video because this will be number 2, like I said. I guess they're called Puzzle, and they're from Akira. They're called Pretty Little Rhinestone Snake Multicolored, I guess, slides. And I picked them up in a 10. You guys know when I get slides, I get them in a 10. And I thought they were going to be $34.90 because the girl was like, no, they're regular price. But when I got to the register, they rung up for 17 bucks. And these are right here, rhinestone. It look, you can't really see. I'll try to put them on and model them for you. But these are it. This is the multicolored snake print. And then they have the multicolored rhinestones going around. You probably can't even see that. Let's see. Yeah, you can. And this right here is just what sold me. I actually wanted the Birkenstock ones, the all black, but they ran out of my size, so I'm like, oh well. And what else did I get at Akira? So that will complete my Akira haul. And then I placed a order online with NordstromRack.com because they had some more sandals on sale that I end up ordering them. The first time I wanted them, they were sold out, and they finally came back in stock. They're by the brand Melissa, and I wanted these so bad, but they are so tall. Like, they make me even more tall. And they're in the I'll show you guys. And they're by the brand Melissa, and it's the piece number 6. And these are in the color sand. I'm on the fence. I'm on the fence if I want to keep them or not, but they are so cute. And the only reason why is because of the material. I can just see myself messing these up. These are it right here. They're wedge. They have like the bow, but it's like plastic, y'all. See that? That is so cute, and it matches. Like, I could have wore that today, but these are super tall. Look how tall these are. Just imagine. They should have made them a little bit shorter, but they're cute. I don't know, I'm torn. Should I keep them or not? So I'm going to show you guys how they look on my foot, and you guys will decide. Should I keep them or should I send them back? So that is what I picked up from Nordstrom Rack. And then I went into Ross. I went into my favorite little store to find little dress clothes, because you guys know I'm on a budget. And I picked up this cute dress. It is so cute. I can see myself wearing this to like a after 5 event, like a luncheon, wedding, something, I don't know. But it is so cute because it's like mesh see-through right here, but the bosom part, like your breast and everything, is covered up like so, and then it just kind of like flares like the peplum. You see how short it is? I love the colors. They are so pretty and vibrant. And they don't look, this doesn't even look cheesy at all. And the original price is like a special dress. It is $29. And I had to get it. So I'm going to put this in my closet. And when I go somewhere like special, maybe to like a wedding or something like that, I will break this bad boy out. So I probably don't wear this until what? Next year sometime. Because there's no weddings for me in the near future for me to attend. I told my friend I was going to wear it to her wedding. She's like, what? I didn't know I was getting married. Yeah, so. The next dress is cute. And it's just, it's not my favorite green, but it was cute on. So I ended up getting this. And I like it because of the little, what you call that? Little ribbon bow, whatever. I like that, and it fits. It's like an A-line dress. This is the back, and it has like a subtle slit in the back that I can wear. I can wear this like to church or something. Yep, so I picked that up. And the last item that I picked up from Ross were these wipes, and they are from Global Beauty Care makeup cleansing wipes, and it has collagen in it. This right here is really good, and it comes with 60 wipes for only $3.99. So if you're looking for some wipes for your makeup, you're just wiping the makeup off. You ain't doing nothing special. You're making sure that all the makeup gets off with the wipe, and then you go on with your cleanser. And you don't have to spend a lot, because I see makeup wipes are like almost $10. I'm not paying $10 for no wipes, so I'll end up getting these right here, and it's $3.99. From Walmart, I picked up the Wetline Extreme Professional. One of the young ladies here on YouTube, she swears by this. Don't know her name. I'm new to her channel. I subscribed, and I gotta watch some of her videos to see how you actually do this. I saw one of her videos when she did this, and I was like, oh, her hair came out pretty. But then she used something else, and it still came out pretty. So we're gonna see how it looks on my hair. But this big tube was only $2 or $3, which is really inexpensive. So I want to check this out and see how it works out for me. But this is a styling gel, if I haven't mentioned it. And it has aloe, no residue, alcohol free, and with UV filter. We're going to see how that works. Then I went back to Ulta. Homegirl gave me this little bitty bag, and I picked up some Revolution products. I picked up this here, this is like a Illuminator. It's not a highlighter. This right here gives you a look, but I'm not really going for this look. It's I don't know, something about it looks a little ashy on my arm, so I'm gonna test it out with my makeup, and I'll let you guys know. If you don't see this in the upcoming makeup tutorial, you'll know that your girl took it back. Let me see how much they were. Okay, the Illuminators were $5.42, and then I bought this from Revolution as well, and this is their cheek kit, and it's the Take a Breather, and I'll show you that in a minute. But let me swatch this blush for you guys. I see that they repackaged their products, which they needed to, because the first time the packaging kind of sucked. But yeah, this is promising. I like the color of that blush. You probably can't see it, but it is super pretty. I'll be wearing that. And this cheek kit, I swatched it earlier, and I only like maybe 2 shades out of the 4. And I like this one. It reminds me of what I just picked up from MAC, and this right here. And that's a highlighter, and it's like a pinky gold, which is pretty. And it also will probably look pretty on the eyelid. And this one right here is like your everyday color, but it's not a highlighter, but it's pretty. And these two were too I don't know, they were too stark white to me, if that, oh, if you guys could see that, it was too white for me. Let me do it over for y'all. So y'all can see what I'm talking about. See that? I'm not really feeling it. The only one I like is this pink one, to be honest with you. So we all know about that. So those two are I'm on the fence about. And then I picked up I I exchanged that red lippy. That red lippy was not the business, and I exchanged it for this one right here. It's kind of cool. Let me see if I got a mirror. And I changed it for this one. I mean, it doesn't match my lipstick. It doesn't match my makeup, but it's a cute color. And I'll probably like pair that with plum liner. Yeah, see, it'll look pretty once I wear something neutral. I'm always gravitating to pinks. I know some of y'all are like over the pinks, but that's what I like. You like what you like, I like what I like. Okay, let's move on. Y'all, I have some purple. Oh, and it has like a plumping sensation. I like that. Okay, I had to change my lips because that wasn't the business. And don't talk about my hair, y'all. I just threw this up in a real quick bun. This is the LA Girl Volumatic Mascara Extreme Lash, and this was really inexpensive. It's on sale at Ulta. I picked up the one in purple, and I'm gonna bring you close. Maybe you guys can see. Can you see that purple? Oh, it is super pigmented, you guys. And when I went to Ulta, I made sure I picked up another one, and this is in the shade Turquoise. Looks like so, but I love the purple. And the reason why I went into Ulta is because I was looking for some more pencils, and I picked up a NYX Feel and Fluff. I don't care about the fill-in part where you kind of like brush the hairs. I don't like that. And let me show y'all what I'm talking about. I love this pencil. It is super pretty. It gives me a precise brow, because the brows that I've been doing lately, I'm telling y'all, it's like I'm a beginner. My brows are not sisters, they're like friends. They do not match, but this will help me out, so I have better brows. But this brush right here, I don't like at all. They could have kept this. This is stupid. This is real stupid. But I love these. They're more pricier. They're pricier than the regular ones. So y'all, I don't know. I had a $5 off coupon. So check your emails, because they give you $5 off $10 purchase, which was amazing. And with your free gifts, they gave me this right here. And I looked inside, and it's a coin purse, and inside is a mascara, On the Rise Volume Mascara. So that is what I'm talking about. And that will complete my haul. I thank you all for watching. You might see this outfit in my vlog, because you know, that's what I wore. Yeah, you guys, so that will complete my haul. I thank you all for watching. Don't forget to comment, rate, and subscribe to the channel, and I will see you in the next video. Until then, you guys have a blessed one. Bye, y'all.